Did you know that ginger isn't just a tasty spice, but a powerhouse of health benefits? Packed with antioxidants, ginger can help reduce inflammation, soothe an upset stomach, and even boost your immune system. Feeling bloated? Ginger is your best friend. It aids digestion and can relieve nausea, making it a must-have in your daily routine. Looking to kickstart your day? Ginger can give you a natural energy boost and even help with muscle soreness after a workout. Add it to smoothies, salads, or teas for a refreshing burst of flavor and health. So next time you see ginger, remember, it's more than just a spice, it's a wellness wonder.